What's up? We are at video number 2 where we are gonna teach you how to create a music like Eminem or my friend MC Stan or whatever that you call a Badsha or something. We are gonna create a music. Now imagine if you know how to create music, you can sell it on any freaking platform and you can make as much money. A recent study came in where someone offered, like Elon Musk's wife offered a person who has created an AI music to offer a 50% royalty. Imagine AI music. You can go ahead and put that music on YouTube, that may go viral. You can go ahead and sell a royalty platforms that can make you a lot of money. AI music, have you ever heard it? Have you ever imagined that you can create a music right now? I have never ever created a music in my whole life, but right now I'm gonna create a music in front of you and let's do this. This is gonna be crazy, this is gonna be dope, this is gonna be insane. आपने जितना भी पैसा भरा है ना, मैं गारंटी देके बोलता हूँ ये वीडियो के बाद आप बोलोगे भाई तू पैसा क्या और पैसा ले मेरे से, लेकिन ऐसा टाइप का चीजें सीखा मजा आ जाएगा आपको, गारंटी देके बोलता हूँ. Let's go ahead and do this, folks. Number one, what you go is that you go to my favorite chat GPT. Now, once I open the chat GPT, what I need to do here is that I have to put a simple prompt here. Act like a rapper. Act like a rapper. I want you to rap. I want you to rap on proposing my girlfriend. Now, something like, let's see. What does ChatGPT give? Yo, baby girl, listen up. I got something to say. Gonna split some rhymes in my own special way. When I first met you at all. Okay, now let's copy this. Copy this, my friend, and then let's go to a tool which is called Free TTS. This is a tool which is called text to speech. Go on this tool, ttsp.com, and click on this one. Boom. Now, once you're on here, click on enter your text and click on paste. Boom. Now you can go ahead and click on this Christopher voice or whatever voice you want, and then click on convert now. Boom. Now it's gonna go ahead and convert. Let's get it converted, my friend.
Yo, baby girl, listen up. I got something to say. Gonna spit some rhymes in my own special way.
Well,
I'm thinking.
now I've converted that text to speech. I'm gonna download this. I'm gonna keep this on my desktop. Boom. Now, go to YouTube and pick up any royalty, like any beat, Eminem beat. Let's do it. Now, let's find a beat. Let's do this. Check it out.
What is consultant and marketing here?
Let's check this out quickly once more right now. Here we go. Right. Let's copy this right now. Now let's go to this tool called y2mint.com. Now once I go out here, I'm going to simply go ahead and do a simple thing. I'm going to put this audio out here and I'm going to paste it and click on start and then click on the... I think it's getting downloaded. Let me check. One. Boom. It's downloaded, my friend. We have this. Now click on here and copy this to desktop. Now, download this tool. This tool is called Audacity. This tool you can use for MacBook also. This tool you can use for Windows also. Wherever you feel you want to use this tool, go ahead and just download this tool. It will like you can click on Windows and then you can just follow the downloading instructions and download. This tool is absolutely free. You can click on the MacBook and download this tool for absolutely free. Whatever you feel, you can go ahead and download this tool. Now I have this tool for me, which is Audacity. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open my Audacity and then I'm going to put this two musics. Like this one, this one, and this one. Boom. Now let's see. 3, 2, 1.
First one, yo, what's that, girl?
Now, see. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to split this music and make the main portion of the music. Like split clip. Like now it puts split clip. Boom. Now I'm going to delete it. Boom. Now I'm going to split another this portion and click on split clip. And now I'm going to delete this. Now I'm going to cut this. Now I'm going to cut this portion. Put it cut and put a paste here. Boom, boom. Now let's go ahead and enjoy the music.
Smart, yo, listen up, girl. I got something to say. Let's get these rhymes. Make your heart sway. You're the sunshine that lights up my days. So I'm stepping up now. No more delays. Chorus, hey baby, will you be mine? Together we'll shine. Our love will climb.
This is crazy, folks. This is insane. Now, I could have gone ahead and just downloaded Eminem's voice. I'd have already shown you how you can do that. You can club that with Eminem's voice. You can train the AI and then you can put Eminem's voice and I can just download this and this rap and then I can put the beats. Boom, my music is ready. Can you imagine? I do not need to be a musician to do this. I can sell this music on any music platforms. I can go ahead, like you can simply go to this Google Chrome and you can just simply search sell AI music. Now boom, now just put this sell AI music. Boom. Now you can go ahead and sell it on like beethoven.ai, where you can just sell royalty music. You can go ahead and sell on like SoundRaw. You can go ahead and sell the music. You can upload this on Spotify. You can go ahead and just put this on YouTube. You can just go ahead and put anywhere. You can put it on Soundful and put a price of it. You can make it a viral trend in reel in Instagram. This is the power, my friend. Imagine what world are we living in. If this doesn't excite you, I don't know what will, my friend. No content in this whole online AI world could have taught you this, my friend. I've given to you this for just this is crazy peanuts which you have paid. If you feel that this is awesome and blossom, then tag me on Instagram and just say me on Ruan, I love you, and create a music to me and just go ahead and tag me. Thank you. Have a great day. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you. Take care. Bye.